Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to set up a new Google account in Android device. Alright guys, first of all, we need to open our settings application. And after we have our settings application opened, we can go to the account and backup setting. This one, click on the setting and click on manage account. Okay, and you have to scroll down until you find the add account button. And since we want to set up a new Google account, we have to select Google and just wait for a moment. It's still processing. Okay, and here we can sign in with our Google account. You can input your email or phone. Then you have to input your password as well. But if you want to create new account, you just need to click on create account. Then you have to follow the instruction. Alright guys, and that's how we can set up a new Google account in Android device. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and if you found this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit the like button, leave your comments, and also subscribe to this channel. See you on the next video.